Hi, I'm Emily from Max Reviews, and today I'm reviewing the Nutribullet blender. I have been using this blender for the last 3 years, almost every day. I will say up to 2 times per day. It's so easy to make these smoothies. As you can see, this is the glass that comes with the blender. I personally sometimes just put in straws. It's perfect also as a glass. And yeah, I used to make my protein shakes. I put a lot of ice in here, especially when it's summer. I haven't had any problems. I like that it's kind of tiny, especially for small kitchens like mine. It's also easy to carry. It's not heavy at all. Another thing that I like the most is also that it's not as noisy as other blenders are. So I live in an apartment and that works perfect without making too much noise. Yeah, so you can use like for sweet recipes like smoothies, shakes, yeah, any shake. Or like for example my pesto, I can put also in here. I put nuts to make the pesto and zero problem. Highly recommended.